Hello guys, you are welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Christian Omeje of Optic Digital Hub, and today in this brand new video I'm going to show you how to insert clickable links on your Facebook stories. So since Facebook introduced Facebook stories to the platform, it has been an amazing feature that has been utilized over time by almost everyone on the platform. But one issue that we always have is that, let's say for example you are trying to promote something, maybe your song, maybe your business, but you want to put your link on your stories so that probably when you have put the cover art of anything you are trying to promote, be it your song or business, then on the next slide, people can actually click on a link to visit your website or download your song. But the declining factor is that on Facebook, you cannot put links on your stories. But that notwithstanding, today in this video, I'm going to show you a hack that you can use to put clickable links just like this on your own Facebook stories. So as you can see, this point which says how to create a free landing page for affiliate marketing in 2022 is where anybody who watches my Facebook story can click on to go to the destination I want them to go to. So if I tap on it, you will see where it says visit website, which means if the person clicks on it, it's going to take the person to the destination, which is my YouTube channel, to go and watch this video that I just want them to go and watch. So I'm not going to go and watch this video on my channel. I'm just trying to show you that it goes to the destination. So if I go back, as you can see, this is it. But let me just show you the traditional way that a lot of people put links on their Facebook stories, but it does not reflect as a link and people cannot click on it. So normally when you want to post a story on your Facebook story, you just click on create story right here. And normally to put a link, you type something like a text, then you attach the link. So you're going to use text, then you type what you want to put on your story here. So as for me, I've copied a text which has a link attached to it. So I just paste it right here. So as you can see, watch the video, then this is pointing to the YouTube link that they need to click on. So normally this is supposed to show as a link so people can click on it and go and watch this video. So if I click on done and also share this to my stories, it will take a few minutes or seconds to post on my stories. So as you can see, your story was shared. So if I tap on it, as you can see, can you see the difference? This one is just showing like a text. I cannot click on this link, it's just showing as a text. But look at this one, it's showing with a highlight that this is a link that someone needs to click on. So if the person click on it, it will even show visit website, while the other one is just showing just like a text. So I'm going to quickly delete this one so people don't begin to view this and want to click on it and it's not working. And I will show you the real way of doing it. So let me delete this. So now, in order to put a clickable link on your Facebook stories, you are going to leverage on WhatsApp. I believe you have the WhatsApp app on your phone, and if you do not have it on your phone, you can just download it from the Play Store on Android or the iOS app on your iPhone. So let's go over to WhatsApp right here. When you are in your WhatsApp, you just go over to your status. Like you want to update a new status on your WhatsApp, you just tap on it like a writing status. Then I'm going to paste that same text right here, as you can see. Then I will change the color so it looks attractive. So something like this. So something like this is not bad. Then I probably give it a little space. Blue, you understand? So I'm going to now post this on my WhatsApp stories. As you can see now, it's on my WhatsApp status right here. And as you can see, I'm going to just tap on these three dots here and I'll tap here to share it to Facebook. So if I share it to Facebook, it's going to come up this way. As you can see, your Facebook story, it's going to show on my Facebook story. So what I'm going to do, I just click on share now. It will take a little time. Then it has been posted to my Facebook story. So I'm going to go back to Facebook. Then I'm going to check my stories.
My father's wealth.
So probably it has not yet loaded. Let me refresh my Facebook. So as you can see it there. So if I open it up, can you see this link is now clickable? It's showing the highlight that it's a link and someone can click on it, compared to the way we tried it before and it was just showing as a text. So if someone taps on this, it's going to show visit website, and if the person clicks on it, it's going to open up to go to the destination you want them to go to. As you can see, this is my YouTube video, one of my YouTube videos, and the person can begin to enjoy what I've laid out for them. So this is how you actually post clickable links on your Facebook story. This is the hack. A lot of people do not know this, and they just put the links attached to the text and post it normally, and nobody can click on it, and they'll be surprised as why nobody is clicking on their link. But with this method, you can now put clickable links on your Facebook stories. Okay guys, so that was it on how you can actually insert clickable link on your Facebook stories, and I'm sure you enjoyed that one. So if you really enjoyed that video and you actually got value from that session, kindly give this video a like, comment on this video so that it can grow on the YouTube algorithm. And also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, now will be the right time for you to do so. Just click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification so you get notified when I drop amazing videos just like this one. So that being said, I will see you on the next video. Take care and have fun.